Oh, right on. Hey guys, it's Mike again. Welcome to a quick little video. In this package is here, I have replacement tail lights for my 60 series Landcruiser. And this one here is from United Emirates, and it's more like an OE replacement. And here, this one is from Taiwan, and it's more like an aftermarket replacement. So what we'll do is we'll open these up, and we'll have a look at the quality and the fit and finish, and we'll decide which one we're going to use. For the United Emirates one, it actually costs twice as much as the Taiwanese one. So we'll see what the quality is like, and to see how it actually stacks up to a proper replacement one. As a lot of you Landcruiser guys knows, the OE stuff is getting really tough to find and getting rather expensive, so I thought I'd give the Taiwanese aftermarket a shot and see how it stacks up to the OE stuff. Here in my shop here, what we'll do is we'll open up the United Emirates one, the OE replacement. I got this from Yamaha, and I'll put a link in the description below on it. That's packaged pretty well. And there you go, here's the part number, and it looks like it's all official Toyota badging. There we go. It looks pretty good quality. And so it says Toyota right up here in the lens, and it also says Toyota right here, and it has made in Japan. So there you go, an official OE Toyota 60 series lens. We'll open up the one from Taiwan. So I got this off of eBay, and I'll put a link in the description below on where I got this one. And similar packaging. There is no badging on this or any sticker, not to be expected. Interesting. This is very similar. It does say Toyota on it, Toyota here, Toyota there, but it does not have the Made in Japan sticker. So let's have a closer look here. As you can see, this is the OE one, made in Japan. Like I said, it has the Toyota there, has a Toyota there, it has the embossing here, and it also has the embossing around the reflective area, and it actually says Kyoto, Japan. So this is an official made in Japan lens for the 60. Now this is the aftermarket one, and it also says Toyota, and it has the embossing, so the same type of stamping, but the embossing is different. It is different there, and it has no stamping or embossing around the reflective area. They feel very similar, and it looks like the casting is all very similar. I can't really tell the difference between the two other than the embossing around here. I think it's a very well replica. I think it's a really good job, and I think if you were to put this on, you would have a hard time telling the difference between OE and this one. So what we'll do is we will put this on and see how they all bolt up. So here we are, taking a look at the two. So this is the aftermarket one, and we know that the OE is going to fit, so we'll see how the aftermarket fits. This is the old ratty one, and this is the new, and I think it lines up pretty good, and you can see that looks pretty close. So let's go ahead and swap that over. You can see just got a little bit more life out of this one. Yeah, it's a hurting unit. All right. That looks fantastic. I'd say that's a perfect fit. So I ended up installing the aftermarket ones from Thailand, and I think they're just as good as the OE ones that I got from United Emirates. The only issue is I'm just wondering how they'll hold up through UV over time, so only time will tell. Since I do a lot of wheeling, I wouldn't feel guilty hitting these on a branch or a rock or something like that and getting them cracked as much as a proper OE one, which costs twice as much. So if you're trying to build a vehicle or redo your Landcruiser and you want some official stuff, go by all means get a proper one. If not, I find that these aftermarket ones are just as fine. Just remember that hand tighten them, because they both will crack if you try to use an impact or a drill on them like I almost did. So once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.